Welcome to this new clickable prototype of Vizhub Pro, which will be Vizhub coding data viz AI for Teams. And this is a clickable prototype with fake auth, where you can go to your profile view here to see your private vizzes, your public vizzes, and your organizations. The organizations is the new thing. So the idea is one person could be a member of multiple organizations, and then each organization has a workspace with projects inside of it. So this is a level of organization of these vizzes that the platform never had before, but I think would be really useful for actual teams. And then you can drill into one of these projects, and each project has a timeline from when it was created, and the idea is this is almost like a Slack thread where multiple people can drop messages, and you can mention Mr. Sloth, the AI agent that can create vizzes based on other vizzes and new data and prompts in here. And the idea is that these AI generations will happen sort of in real time and get appended to this project thread. And you can use this format for editing and upload new data files, even upload image files as inspiration, and then use the vision LLMs to scaffold out a UI. And then once you figure out what you like from all this, you pin the ones that you want to deliver to the client. And then the client can come in here, and all they see is this section with the pinned deliverables. And each one of these would have a real-time staging link that's password protected that you can share with the clients. Voice is the way to do it with the prompting. So the idea is this is a standalone prototype, but in the project view or any place where you want to enter text, we could just hit start recording. And I think this is the future for entering text. And of course, it's not working when I demo it. There has been some recent improvement to the actual AI code editing in Vizhub, and this would surface in Vizhub Pro. But for now, we could say something like, make the marks different colors and hit send. This AI editor is in VZ Code, which is 100% open source. And I did some work for the Tori app, but I never got it, like the distribution worked out. But it's like really close. Like we want to get to this locally with the voice dictation. And then we could say something like, add a cool animation every time I click on something. Hit send. And then it's this streaming parser now. So as the new edits come in, you can see the diff. And it just shows you the diff. Because I realized I don't want to see all of it. I just want to see what's changed. Oh, so it broke. Let's see how it broke. And then we take this error and we paste it into here and hit send. Right, so use AI to fix the errors. And this particular one is using, oh, there it goes. See, I can click on these. And this is using React and Tailwind. And you could see all the files if you want, and it's like fairly well organized into a bunch of small files. And the idea is that you would be able to say export to zip, and then you get a zip file that you can then drop in your existing code base right into the source directory and import it in your app and use it in production. But it could work without React. I just find that React works really well, and it's near and dear to my heart. But there's plenty of stuff in here that doesn't use it. Like actually, this diagram stuff with Mermaid is super powerful. Yes, and in the project view, like I want to have it so that you can mention the AI agent, or even not. I don't know how it's going to work exactly, but you send a message and it kicks off this exact AI generation in like a more agentic kind of a way, where it runs in a headless puppeteer and takes a screenshot and then just shows the screenshot here in the project view. Yeah. And that's where in the screenshot generation, it would run the whole thing and it would catch any errors. And if there are errors, then it should feed back and make the edit to fix the errors automatically, maybe like 3 or 4 times. So that's the end goal for this. Well, actually, I built out the start form. So if you say create a new project, the whole idea here is that you just specify a project title like stonks of this data, and then you upload your file, a CSV file. Then you say create project, And then when you create it, and this actually works, the project was created, and then when it's actually working, this will kick off something in here like AI generating, and it will take the data and the project description and formulate plans, formulate ideas for different visualizations to make, and then it will go off and make them in parallel with different variants, with different different levels of LLMs, and then provide that for you to review, or whoever goes to the project view. There will be a notification like, check out this new viz. Is it any good? With like a thumbs up, thumbs down. And then if you give it a thumbs up, it stays. If you give it a thumbs down, it automatically tries harder. So I'm looking forward to seeing all this come together, and I'll let you know when it's working and you can try it out.